In this unit, you learned the difference between countable nouns like vegetables and uncountable nouns like fruit. You also studied some, any, a, and an. Let's look at this again. Hassan is at a food market. Listen to his conversation with an assistant.
I'd like 6 onions and 6 potatoes, please.
6 of each. OK, here you are.
Thanks. And do you sell rice?
No, but they sell rice and pasta over there.
Hassan asks for 6 onions and 6 potatoes. These are countable nouns. They can be singular or plural. The shop assistant talks about rice and pasta. These are uncountable nouns. They're always singular. We usually add s to make plural countable nouns, but sometimes the spelling is different. Look. When you're ready, go to the activity. Are these words correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. There is no plural of cheese. We say some cheese. We spell tomatoes with es, and fruit is uncountable, so we say some fruit. Listen to more of Hassan's conversation with the assistant.
Have you got any pears?
Yes, we have. And we've got some nice apples too.
I'll have a pear and an apple. For my lunch.
Hassan uses any in a question. Have you got any pears? The assistant uses some to talk about a quantity. We've got some nice apples. Hassan wants 1 pear and 1 apple. He says, I'll have a pear and an apple. Look at these examples with any and some. We often use any in questions and negative sentences. We usually use some in positive sentences. You can use some and any with countable and uncountable nouns. Now look at these examples. We use a before a consonant sound. A pear. A grape. We use an before a vowel sound. An apple. An onion. When you are ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We say, we haven't got any beans, and I'd like an orange, please. That's it. Well done.